So today I met my nemesis, and it was in the shape of this gear stick. So as you may or may not be aware, there's a cable that goes down the middle of the gear stick to an overdrive switch. This is on the top of the gear knob up here. So this cable was damaged, so I had to get this out. And to get that out, I had to take the lock nut off the top here, take the gear knob off, and take it all apart. So some moisture had got into the threads at the top here and seized this on. So that was well and truly seized on. Initially I made a little tool that had 2 drive lugs on here. I put that in, it snapped those 2 off, so I sort of knew I was going to be into a bit of a fun. Then I had to hacksaw the gear knob up into many pieces, cut the gear stick off and the boot off, and then this part, which is between the gator and the bottom of the gear knob, was also seized on solid. So as I turned that to get that off, that turned the remainder of the thread. So I ordered expecting the worst, and it turned into a bit of a nightmare. So I had all the bits to fix it apart from the gear stick. So I went to check today to see about the new gear stick or getting a replacement, and they are no longer available. So I've managed to track one down in New South Wales, so I've ordered that now, and I am now going to a second-hand one in New South Wales. So I'm going to wait for that one now to arrive, and then I can rebuild the gear stick. I've got the bits that I need, so all that's under control. It's just, it turned into an absolute living nightmare to try and get this apart. One of the joys of doing the restoration on cars, I believe.